Good afternoon, everyone. Well, I made it over here to the job site. I'm across the street from it. And they had it staged out in the street. Well, we're still kind of in the street. But we're in a roundabout, dead end area. But anywho, something going on with the tanks that they're having issues with. And they said this morning, go ahead, come on over, we'll get you unloaded. That was about noon. And we shot over here, me and this other guy. And while we're sitting here staged alongside the road, they told us that they're having issues and they won't be able to get to us. So we are now sitting overnight alongside the road on a job site. It is not that bad, right? Pretty much a dead end. Well, unloading over there where the flashing lights is. But I kind of did some walking around to scope this place out. Can't see too much, but yeah, that's what's going on right now. Just hanging out, waiting pretty good for a while. Just got done with dinner and just walking around trying to get a little bit of exercise since I can't sit around in the truck all the time, just get old. So, but anywho, that's the plan as right now. So kind of set and see what happens. Anyway, we'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm over here in Chattanooga, Tennessee. I got unloaded Friday around noon, and then I shot over to my parents and for the weekend because I loaded over here in Chattanooga, so I went right by them. So I spent the weekend there, and now I'm over here in Chattanooga. I got this thing, picking up an excavator, got it loaded. Ended up breaking a glad hand, so I had to go and bobtail down the road to get a glad hand for this trip, and there was a very sharp turn, and you gotta skim by it. It's like a ramp. Anyway, I ended up catching the side of that ramp with the drive tires and sliced the dang tire on the side of the truck. So I'm waiting on them to come fix it. I got this excavator loaded and put on the truck. Everything's secured down. I got chain up and over, padding because it's close to the bottom. 4 chains inside, 2 out, 2 inside. And I got the same up here. 2 out and 2 in. And it's going to Louisiana. Then I'll unload probably tomorrow if I get out of here. Be the next day, but won't be too bad. But anyway, scrape the tires. I gotta get them fixed, and then get out of here. Anyway, we'll talk to you guys in a little bit.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun, the feeling we chase. I'm wide awake, take me away now. Good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. future is ours now. The road never ends. It's me and my friends. These are the good times. And I'm feeling like I could go on forever. And I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy. Making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for coming and watching my videos. Please like and share and comment below. I like to talk to y'all. Y'all have a good evening. Thank you.